Welcome to another episode of Dear ADHD Family Coach with Leslie Josel.
My child asks why all the time, and I can't handle the defiance. This is an interesting one. I love the why question. I don't mind the why question, but a lot of you come to the table and say, my child asks why. Why do I have to do this? Why do I have to do this now? And I'm going to tell you, I like the why. I respect the why. Again, I don't feel it's defiant. You have to remember that, well, I think all of us, don't we all have more buy-in to do something when we understand the context around it, right? I think so. I know that, like, if someone's asking me to do something that I might not want to do, and they explain to me the significance of the importance of it, I'm more apt to do it. Children also that have EF are way more curious, right? So they're going to want to know, like, well, why do I have to do this right now? Like, why do I have to? They're inquisitive. They want to know. So I am all about the why question. You can ask why about anything I ask you to do, but two things. I tend to preempt the why. That is my tip for you. I have two tips. Is preempting the why. And what I mean by that is, instead of saying, Leslie, I need you to go take out the garbage, your child's going to be like, why? Or Leslie, I need you to take out the garbage now. What I would much rather you do is, hey, Leslie, can you take out the garbage now because they're coming to pick it up in 10 minutes. Now you've preempted the why. If you can answer the why question before the why question is asked, maybe you won't feel it as you won't feel as frustrated by the question. You won't feel as much defiant, or this was something in my house all the time. Eli, can you come downstairs for 5 minutes? He'd be like, why? Why now? I'm in the middle of something. I can't do it. Or, hey, E, I'm walking out the door now to go to my meeting. Can you come downstairs now so we can talk about first thing tomorrow morning? I might not see you later. Now he's like, okay, I get it, and I'm going to come, right? Sometimes also when a child asks why about doing something, what they need is a time frame. Remember, this is a time blind thing too. Where do I sit in time? So, hey, can you come and help me in the kitchen? The why isn't always, why do I have to do it? It's also like, but like, how long is this going to take me? I don't feel grounded in time. Hey, can you come help me, prep dinner? It'll take about 10 minutes of your time, and then you can go back and doing X. So try preempting the why. I think you will have less whys. And then the other thing I want to tell you is, there was a mantra in our house growing up, and I teach this to all of my parenting clients. My husband and I used to say, our children could ask anything, but it wasn't what you asked for, it was how you handled the no. So what does that mean? What that means is, let's say your child goes, I really want to go to Susan and sleep at Susie's house overnight on a school night. Right? And you go, no, I'm sorry, that's just not what we do here. A lot of you get angry at even the thought that they asked that question. Like, how could they even think to ask that they could sleep over somewhere on a school night? I don't care what they ask. It's not what you ask for. It's not, and then it's not even the why can't I, why can't I, why can't I's, as long as they're calm. It's how did they handle that no? So instead of focusing on the question that your child's asking, let's focus on how they react to maybe getting the answer they don't like. So, I really want to go to Susie's. I'm sorry, we don't do that. Do they have a full-on tantrum? That temper tantrum? I'm sorry. That's what I want you to focus on. I want you to focus on the response and not so much the why.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. And if you want to be notified when a new Dear ADHD Family Coach episode drops, make sure to hit that subscribe button.